Olá and welcome to Daily Portuguese.
This is podcast about Portuguese language and Portuguese culture.
Season A1, Episode 16, New Year's Eve. Hi, and welcome to the last episode of the year. You have something to say?
No.
It looks like. And this is the last episode that we are talking about Portuguese traditions regarding Christmas, New Year's Eve, and so on. Probably something will come up throughout the year. But today we are going to talk about New Year's Eve. Maria, what do you know about New Year's Eve in Portugal?
It's loud.
So
Everyone goes out.
You described most of our holidays.
Yes, but all the New Year Eves.
New Year's Eve? Yes.
New Year's Eves we made in Portugal. It's the loudest, the most crowded party ever.
Well, no, it's not. San João is worse.
No! Do you remember this one New Year's Eve we were in Aliados?
Yes, have you
And
ever...
I almost... twice! The year we met, it was so full, I couldn't pass to you. It was like, I don't know, you were like 5 or 10 meters away from me. And second one, it was the year we got engaged. No, we were married already.
We were married.
And we had guests.
Yes.
And it was so crowded that we had to hold each other to not get lost in the crowd
Yeah. Well,
next to the hotel.
yes. Happened.
And it's never like that in on San Juan.
It is, but we never go to that part of San João and we don't go until that late.
It's not. We went to San Juan.
Early.
Okay.
You went early to San João. If you go there at midnight...
Yes,
or
but
something-
the thing is that on San Juan, everyone is scattered all around the city.
Yes.
And on New Year's Eve, a lot of people gather in well, it used to be Aliados. I don't know now
Yeah,
with
it's
the
still
works.
Aliados.
It's still Aliados, so it's even tighter now
this year?
because of the works.
I have no idea.
So everyone gathers because party is there, no? The
Yes.
city's party,
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
scene and some concerts and stuff.
Probably, yes. But let's go.
Yeah.
What about food traditions? What do you know?
Is there any?
No, most of the desserts are transported from Christmas to
Yeah.
New Year's Eve. But the difference is that there's no rule for food, main food. Usually people try to go for something.
Churrasco.
No, something more fancy, something more, unique, or something more like just to celebrate
Shrimps.
seafood.
Seafood, yeah.
almost-
I remember the octopus.
Yeah, like we go for something like that we like and we don't, eat on a daily basis. At least my family. I don't know about other people's family. Maybe you can share your opinion about that. But my family goes for the more about the seafood and or expensive meat
Yeah,
and so on.
celebrating with the good food.
Yes. And this is the first, this is the only, this, like Christmas, it's with family. New Year's Eve, it's with whoever you want. Like if you try to spend Christmas without your family, not like when you are young, and if you decide to go, I'm going to spend Christmas with my friends, you are out of the wheel, Like if grandma dies, you will not be on her wheel. Like they will cut you out from family. New Year's
That's
Eve.
why in Poland it's so nice because you have 2 days and one technically the first day, Christmas Eve of course it's with the family, first day of Christmas it's for family and second Christmas day it's usually for family and friends.
Yeah, so this is like how we do it.
Yeah.
So this depends on your family
Yeah.
and where you come from. But most of
And what age you are, no?
Yeah, and the age. But like most of when I was kid with family, and then I grew up and always with friends.
Yeah.
And then what's our tradition? Do you know? I know a few, and
I think I know just one.
I know 2.
I know the one with 12 raisins.
Yes,
You
we have
can
at
explain it.
midnight. We have 12 raisins.
At midnight or before midnight?
Midnight. Like you
Okay, you have the countdown.
have the countdown and then you and this is again my family. And what I'm talking about this is about like the what I've seen in my life. Maybe other people have a different life experience. Actually, people used to prepare on the table at a glass that we call a flute, for champagne, which is not champagne, is the cheap, it doesn't matter. And then they would put 12 raisins, sparkling wine, 12 raisins. And for each raisin, you make a wish. So each raisin represents a month. And that's our tradition.
But you choose like for each wish for each month, or it's like
No. You
just,
don't say like, oh, in January I want to. No, you
Okay.
just ask. But it's these 12 raisins represent 12 months.
Yeah,
So this is one of the traditions.
I know it's not podcast about Spain, but Spain has something similar, but they have with grapes, no?
Yeah, no one cares about it. Moving on. And there's another tradition, which is funny, and you might remember about this. And
I know.
the new blue underwear.
Really?
New blue underwear. I don't know why.
New. I remember that, but blue?
Yes.
Where it comes from?
I have no idea.
'Cause okay, blue underwear for me it's connected with wedding.
Really?
Yeah,
The new or blue?
both.
Oh.
You should something new, something borrowed, and something blue.
Wait a second.
I don't know if I had any of that.
Okay, I googled it, and here it immediately, and I'm not going to say the name of the TV channels, but one says like your intimate underwear can determine the rest of the year.
Yes.
They believe in other stuff, but as one of the main Portuguese companies of underwear, or I don't know, design it's not Portuguese. It's here and appears immediately, like there's even a cuecas ano novo, New Year's panties, and there's for men and women, and all of them blue.
Okay.
So, and some people, I don't know, I'm trying to see why, and why to use it. So, and it's just funny for me that we have this, like, yeah, your underwear, blue underwear. So maybe we can buy blue underwear for tomorrow.
But wait, are you wearing it for the Passagem de Ano, or do you wear it only on the new day on 1st of January?
Ooh, for the New Year's Eve. That's blue is one of the most popular colors when you choose lingerie, underwear, for New Year's Eve. This color is synonym of peacefulness, calm, harmony, and that's why it's an excellent choice for who wants to start the year with balance and interior peace.
Okay, so let's get it.
It's funny because I just ordered boxes of boxers, all the same color. And today I was talking about this with a friend, that is just, if someone sees me on a daily basis, they think that I use always the same boxers, but because I just ordered quite a few of the same. And I had no idea that I could change my destiny with the colors of my boxers. Like, okay. So these are the two traditions I know. Then it's just basically a party with friends.
Yeah.
So I don't know, like maybe some other villages have different kinds of celebrations or something, but that's how we finish. We always make the New Year's resolution, those that last for 3 weeks, and then we fail because like it's too much.
3 weeks?
Well, according to the studies and by my experience of
For sure not studies on Portuguese.
that's my actually that's my experience with the New Year's students.
Yeah.
They get drunk and they're like, I'm going to learn Portuguese, and then after 3 weeks, like, oh, this is harder than I thought. I was like, I know. Talking about this, if you want to know more about our courses and classes, there's a link below,
Yes.
and everything's on the page.
Yes.
And you can check it and sign in for the next year's groups.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
We are done with this series, and next episode we'll go back to normal. Not normal. Normal episodes. We don't go back to normal, but normal episodes. Okay?
Okay.
So,
Feliz Ano Novo.
Feliz Ano Novo. Boas entradas. Good entrances.
Obrigada.
Tchau.
Bye.